Alright guys, I think this is a great opportunity to show you how to replace a charging port of a smartphone. If you look critically inside here, we have a micro B connector which has been literally poked out. There's barely anything to see in there. Let me see if I can zoom in and if you'll be able to see anything. There's barely anything in the center there, but let's get to take it apart and then proceed to change that port. Anyway, so this back has to get off. That means we need to get our pin to pop out the SIM card tray. Okay, so this is how the SIM card tray comes out. At least there's no SIM card there. Now there's a fingerprint here. That means we'll have to press this down while picking out the cover. To get in, we use this part of the plastic where the SIM card tray goes. It's a bit soft to get in between it and the frame. Right now I would have been using a surgical blade, but I don't see it. Lucky for me, the back plastic of these Tecno and Infinix phones are relatively soft, and therefore I don't really need a very stiff material to get to pry it off. It's pinching my glove. Okay, let's go right there. Now you'll find that a fair amount of this Tecno brand actually come off this way, and press that down so that just in case there's a fiber underneath it and the fingerprint, it's not ripped out. Wow, nigga, your power button is a time bomb. I'm saying it was looped with what? A wire and held onto the back. Wow. Here I was thinking I'm the first inside. Damn. So it needs a power button repair too. Okay, but that we are here for the charging system, let's get to open the charging system and then look into it. Screwdriver. Okay, so one screw. Charging port, we are only interested in the lower subboard, and that's the one onto which the port is mounted, and we access that by opening this lower bottom panel, held down by a set of around 8 screws, of which 4 are already loosened, and we are now on the 6th, then we on the last one. Okay, now this should come off like that, and then get your fingernail between this and disconnect that connector. And this is the coaxial cable for network connection, and then this board should be able to come out like that. Now we need to take off these rubbers since we are going to deal with hot air at over 300 degrees Celsius, and as such also remove the rubber for padding the earphone jack. Now at this point we are going to make sure this falls off under its weight. I need my tweezers. I wonder where they are. Tweezers, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Let me find them. Couldn't see them, so I'm going to use a pair of compass to help me elevate this port to about half a centimeter from the surface, such that when the solder softens, this subboard falls off under its weight, and makes it easy for us to take this apart. Let me just find the tweezers. That's a bit hard to use.